everybody, this is Brick Spare, Carrie. Just got home today. It's Memorial Day, and we are out at the National Cemetery here in Holly, Michigan for Memorial Day, and planting flags and stuff and remembering those that have been lost. I promised you all some Lego, so today we are actually going to do the Harry Potter Brickhead. I'm going to do Harry today, and then we'll do Hedwig tomorrow. That's what he's going to look like. So that way we get some Lego on the channel too, and not just Pops. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the 4x4 and add the bricks on that. Hope everybody's having a good day today. It's been a long one, that's for sure. It's been a long weekend. Okay, so here we are so far. Got those together. We're going to add a 1x3. Make sure I do this the right way. Yeah, 1x3. And then it's a 1x4, but it's got a space in between as well. All right. How many of you out there like Harry Potter? Oh, it's got the little Gryffindor emblem on. Let's see if it'll focus on there. Try again. For his shirt. I've seen all of the movies and we watch them constantly, it seems like. It's always a marathon at our house with me and Kaylee. What is your guys' favorite one out of the series? I still like the first one, but I also like the very end as well. And I like the one with when the Triwizard Tournament, when the different schools come over too. So you guys tell me what your favorite Harry Potter movie is. And which one is your favorite character from the Harry Potter series? I personally like Dobby, and I like Luna just because she's funny. But it's just, they're all really great, really. Okay, so here's what we got so far with the hollow on the inside. Okay, now for any of you that maybe haven't done Brickheadz before, the inside of them is always colored with different colors. So we're going to go ahead and do some of the inside now. There we go. I'm going to put that right on the inside. Another 1x3 to finish off this side, and another 1x2 on this side. So now we have a complete flush brick. We're going to start with the maroon and gold for his scarf and cloak on there. Make sure I have it the right direction first. See, this way. There we go. And it alternates colors back and forth. There we go. So that's what it looks like on there. So far, so good. What did you guys think of Snape? Did you like him as a villain, or did you like him as a good guy? I'm going to do part of his arms here on the side here. These are going to stick right on these 4x4 bricks here. Should I do this right? There we go. And then some little slopes to finish off the side to make it smooth. Doing this wrong? Let's see. Oh, there. It's because I have it backwards. There we go. Yeah. Oh, I missed one. Put this in here first. There we go. Yeah, I did like Snape as a character. You know, I didn't really think of him as a bad guy. He was very interesting to watch. It was sad when Alan Rickman died. But definitely a good movie. If you haven't seen all of the Harry Potters, you should. Definitely family movie. So here's his little scarf hanging down in the front of him. And that's a printed tile. There are no stickers in Brickheadz. Everything is printed if there's something on it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add a bunch of these pieces. And this is what all the bricks on the outside stick to make up the brick head. So there we go. We got them all on the outside there. And again, we're going to do some more colored on for the inside. This time we're going to use some sand green and some pink with the teal. And I just think it's so funny that they put colors on the inside because you never see the color. So it really doesn't matter. If you have instructions and you're doing a brick head from your own blocks, it doesn't matter what colors you use on the inside. It can just be whatever. And this is going to fit right down inside there. There we go. So there we go. Now we're going to put some more of these gray blocks back on here. And they're just going to alternate from where the other ones were. There we go. So there we have all those on there. Okay. Now in the front here, we're going to add the tan 4x4. That way it'll be his face color. Did I skip? No, I didn't skip one. Okay. Now we're going to add some tan pieces onto it. So, little 1x1s. Tile, tan tile. We even got the tile with his lightning bolt on it for his scar on his head. A 1x4. So here we got so far part of his face. So you can see how it's starting to make out the face. I'm going to go ahead and add his eyes. There's his eyeballs now. Okay, now we're going to turn them to the side here. Oh, did I do that backwards? I think I did. Darn. Okay, hold on. I put his arm on the wrong side. So I got to take it off. Just one quick minute to fix it. It's supposed to be on the side with his scarf. There we go. So we fix that. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and add the tan pieces on the side here. to make this up. And a 1x3. So far, there we go. Okay. Continue on. 2x2. And then we have a couple of these to finish off the hair part. A little bit of cutout on it, so it doesn't go over. So far there's the side of him. Okay. I'm going to add a slope here. And some of these they're little black tile, and they look like pie pieces. That's what they are. There we go. And maybe around there. Another slope. And another pie piece. Okay, so far here's what his hair looks like. So it looks pretty cool. Okay, we're going to continue on with a bunch of these little L-shaped black pieces. And this is going to go finish out some of the parts on the back of him, on his hair here. There we go. There's the back of his head. We're going to finish out the back of his hair with some 4x2 slopes. There we go. So now his head is rounded in the back. Okay, we're going to continue on with a 1x3.